Okay, welcome to lesson 49, Inequalities Part 1, lesson 49 of Algebraic Concepts. Well, just like equations, there will be a lot of videos. There are over 20 videos dealing with inequalities. So be prepared for a lot of videos on this topic. Okay, here's our objective, our vocabulary, some more vocabulary, some rules and notes. Again, as always, please pause and read through these things. I kind of rush through things and I will explain them as we solve problems. All right, so what we're going to start off is writing an inequality. Tony is at least 14 years old. At least. Okay, so we need to break down what these words means. At least. Let me turn the pen on. I always forget to turn the pen on. At least means Tony will be is at greater than, because the lowest he can be, or equal to 14. So at least means the lowest he can be. So he's either 14 or over. Okay, so write as a word sentence. So please remember to follow the directions when solving problems. So we're not solving anything, we're just writing a word sentence. So on the left side, we have the absolute value of -7. Absolute of -7 is at most. We could say this is, at most. We could say at most, no higher than, less than, or equal to, at the most. I'm going to save words with saying at most. 9 times a number. And notice we're using all words, no math symbols here. We wrote it out. Now, at most means the highest it can be. So at most indicates that I am lower than, and this is our comparative phrase to set up less than or equal to what this actually is. So I'm just showing you some words that are used when setting up inequalities. So those are 2 examples. Please try the problems, and I will see you at the end of the video for a recap. Okay, problem 1. -8 increased by a number. -8 plus a number is greater than or equal to 20. A number x is greater than or equal to 6, and x is less than 12. Okay, so we have what is called a compound inequality, and watch how we do this. So 6 and 12. We know that x is less than 6, but is greater than or equal to equal to 6 and less than 12. So we can write it as one statement on one line. So I know I didn't show that in the examples, but you could have just left it as two separate inequalities. So write as a word sentence. So what I'm going to do is simplify it. 8 minus 32 is negative 24. So a number x is at least at the lowest amount negative 24. Okay, there you go. Those were our 3 problems. I hope that you had no trouble with them, but you can always look through the answers and see where you went wrong, and then go back and fix your work or correct your thinking. So again, thank you for watching the video. If you like what you saw, subscribe to this channel and share it out.